Hello Creative Crafty Lovely, and welcome to my channel. I just wanted to hop on here real quick and share with you what I sent off to Gloria, and this was for the Halloween private swap that I participated in between her and Charlotte, who is Ace in Beautyland here on YouTube. And the way we had traded was kind of like a domino effect. So Gloria sent off to Charlotte, Charlotte sent off to me, and then I sent off to Gloria. So here is the bookcase that I created, and this actually was a tutorial from Tony, who is Craft Purge here on YouTube. And right here it says frightfully delightful, and I created this in the Silhouette Studio program that I have. And then I went in with, just placing random flat black gold little bling. And then here are my books. So there is this one right here. Oh, here's the spine of it. And they're all of the spines are pretty much the same. And then right here is this right here I got from Polly's Paper Studio. She has an Etsy store, so and she also is here on YouTube. So here is one of the cutouts that I purchased from her, and it's a little child right here, and it looks like she's a little bit scared, or he. And then right here it says Halloween greetings, and there's a little jack-o'-lantern. And then I made those small little tiny flowers, and then here's a die cut, and then I put some little more of those little flat back jemmies right there. So and they're all kind of the same. So there's that one, and then here it is in the gray. And again, this one says Halloween, and she's just got like a vintage costume, and then she's got a little pretty flower right there. And here is the next one, and it says Halloween, and it's just some kids that are dressed up in their costumes, and here are some jack-o'-lanterns. So that's what this looks like, and again with the flowers. And here is the last book. And I really enjoyed doing this. Some of the collections that I have for Halloween, I didn't want to use those, so I was able, I'm glad I was able to find these and use them. And then the boxes just open up like this, and I will show you what each one of the boxes will contain. So these boxes right here actually hold a lot. I will be sending her a sequence mix. And then we were to create bows and flowers and rosettes, and then one of them was optional in terms of what we wanted to send. It was up to us. So here are the bows that I created, and they are all within like the color palette that I decided to use. And what I do like about these bows is that I didn't put like a skeleton or spider or anything on them, because I wanted her to be able to use them throughout the year. So I think these turned out super cute. I love how they are layered, and this was a KS Craft die that I recently received. So I'm happy the way those turned out. And then in another book, I am including some ruffles right here, some paper ruffles. And these ruffles I made using the new die that is from Coco and Reno. And I really, really loved that die, and it's a great size, and it creates these really beautiful ruffles. And here are some of the flowers that I will be sending, and they are in two different styles. They are in like this style right here, and then in this one. So as you can tell, this one's a little bit more pointy, and this one's a little bit more round. And I really enjoyed making these flowers. As you know, if you've been following me for a while, I do love flowers. So these were such a treat to make. And the dye that I used for this is actually a Coco Rosa dye. So I am so happy the way these turned out. And again, I am trying to keep everything within the same colors. And then I created some mini rosettes and some regular sized rosettes right here. And again, within the same colors. So as you can see right here, they do house a lot, but because I wanted to give her one more than just one set of bows, I have this cup right here, and this cup also has like some overflow of the bows and some of the flowers as well. And Also, I put this right here, which is some tea. So let me dump those out, which is some tea. So the tea is going to go in here, and it says Witch's Brew, and I have 3 different ones. So that fits in there perfectly. And then, you know, with, like I said, it's just going to house the extra flowers and bows. And I am also gifting her a set of the fronts of the books, and these are a little bit larger. And then also too, there is this candy, and it says Happy Halloween, and it has candy and it has some socks, and the socks actually match really good with this. So this is everything that I sent Gloria. I will make sure to include her channel along with Charlotte's and Polly's, and I will also include Tony's tutorial for how you make these. Thank you so much for watching, and I do hope that you have a spooktacular day. Bye!